Hi, my name's Alfred Hopkinson. I've recently started doing a PhD with Intercat at Aarhus University, but I can't get to Denmark, and so I've started my PhD experience from a room in my family home. Despite this, I've already learnt a lot, I've got to know my colleagues well, and when I was asked to write something for the Intercat website, I thought I would instead do a video showing what it's been like, and hopefully give some advice to anyone else who is thinking of studying or is undecided on what to do. I was told before I started looking for a PhD that I had to be sure I was interested in the subject that I'd be researching. This is due to there being many challenges, such as stressful deadlines and expectations to complete projects. But if you're aware of these difficulties, there are many websites, different blogs that all detail how to deal with stress and time management. What no one was expecting was the pandemic all on top of this. This created a feeling of isolation and lack of obvious support. Not being able to have a talk with a colleague in the office, for example, meant it was more difficult trying to navigate new university systems and new areas of literature. It doesn't have to be this way. You can always contact the people you work with, as they too are sitting at a computer like you. I've reached out almost every day, contacting members of the group for help and advice until I've become familiar with what I'm doing. I found myself depending on my group far more than I ever have done before. Another challenge of remote working has been that my PhD is experimental based. It involves the use of ultra-high vacuum chambers. Even if I could get to Denmark with the social distancing, I'd find it harder to work in the laboratory as much as I would like. However, the current situation does present opportunities for PhD students. There's a potential to be more flexible in our approaches to learning. For example, I've started doing a practical programming course, which has already improved my coding ability. I have also decided to engage in more scientific communication and public outreach, as in some scientific communities this can be overlooked. I would encourage anyone in the scientific field who can't do their normal work to consider taking an active role in outreach. It's needed now more than ever.